Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, first I'm going to set the volume a little bit lower. Alright, so we're going to test out some SEGA Megadrive on the G1000 arcade machine from a friend from China. I'm very curious, are all the games running fine or are there some little problems? So that's what these extended testing for. Stay tuned and let's try out some games. Okay, I had a little problem with input. Don't know what that was all about, but it can be more like a controller problem itself. Oh, I jumped. Not in the right position. Oh yeah, of course. All the buttons are mapped totally different because of this cheap China controller. It is a weird 6-button layout that is not mapped correctly. And like always, I'm getting my ass kicked in this game. Ah! I was hitting the guy first. You ass. Ah! No, not from the other side. You do done. Yeah, what? Ah! I'm just searching my buttons over here. Just going cheese away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. And even Sonic 3 works very well on this thing. Woohoo! It's time for some Batman. In other words, at night I am just a spec man who punish everybody. You don't have a problem with Spankman. I just punch you in the face. You've got a problem, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Ah, sorry, I was not doing that. You hear that? That's not normal. Power up. This is how I feel when I just drink my coffee. Power up. And then, when my coffee is over, I get punched in the face. Not literally, of course, but more like, need more coffee. Man, those guys are annoying. You know what? I'm going to punch you. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding this Megadrive board on the G1000, Emulation is pretty damn good. I can really enjoy it, so play it together with your buddy, hook it up to the television. It's a big improvement if you look at the other version. No weird stuttering, no weird frame drops, the frame rate is pretty decent. And overall, pretty cool. Let me know what you think of this. Spinning! And see you next time, people. Till the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because we have more wicked content every day over there. Going spinning! Yeah! See you next time.